everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is April, and this week I'm gonna share some awesome thrifted clothes I found and how I styled them for spring and summer. Some of my favorite spring trends for 2020 are tropical prints, crochet, knit, and bold colors like tangerine orange and bright greens. Right now, all of my local thrift stores are closed and I can't wait to go thrifting so badly, but luckily there's Thrift, which is the world's largest online thrift store. Thrift is today's sponsor and they're giving my subscribers 30% off your first purchase, so click the link down in my description box and enter my code April30. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get started. First trendy item I fell in love with are these vibrant green wide leg pants, and because they're so colorful, I am going to be pairing it with this cream colored t-shirt. To complete the look, I continued the casual vibe with some white strappy sandals, a white tote bag, and some oversized glasses. This look is so minimal yet fashionable. The pants are Helene Blake and the estimated retail was $30, but I got it for $11.99 on ThredUp. The t-shirt is Uniqlo, brand new with tags, and the estimated retail was $9.18, but it only cost me $4.99 on ThredUp. I knew I loved Uniqlo pants, but this Uniqlo t-shirt is so comfortable and I love the fit as well. This next casual look, I'll be pairing this stripe knit top with these dark high-waisted denim pants. Most of the time, secondhand items are still in great condition and fashion repeats, so it's easy to find trendy clothes. I'm so in love with this knit top I found. It just makes me happy when I see it on because of the bright colors and little details like the lace-up tie in the front and back. The best part is that I scored it for only $5.99 on ThredUp when its estimated retail price was $24. Here's a little tip on how I filtered my settings on ThredUp to find this top. First, I went to the women's clothes tab, click on tops or whatever you're searching for, and the most important filter is the material, which you'll want to click on acrylic. Then you'll see all these wonderful knit and crochet items. If you still don't see what you're looking for, just keep adding more filters like a specific color. These high-waisted jeans are from Denim & Co. and estimated for $30, but I got it for only $10.99 on ThredUp. I like these a lot because they're a looser fit on me compared to all the skinny jeans I own, and the dark denim color can be paired with anything. I completed this look with my white strappy sandals again, a white belt at the waist, and a round green purse. The next trendy item you can shop secondhand for is a striped knit dress. The brand of this dress is See You Monday and the estimated retail was $36, but I got it for $17.99 on ThredUp. This colorful striped dress is a look on its own. You don't have to do much for it to look cute. I love bodycon dresses because you can layer t-shirts underneath or on top and knot it at the waist so it becomes a skirt, or you can layer another loose flowy skirt or bottom over it and it'll transform into a tank top. The next secondhand item I found is this tropical print bodycon dress and these tangerine orange pants. This dress I got from ThredUp, and the pants I thrifted a while back from one of my local thrift stores. These were originally really large on me, but I took in the sides and I also raised the hem so they weren't so long. The dress is H&M and the estimated original price was $24, but I got it for only $9.99 on ThredUp. I'm wearing the dress as a top, so I neatly tuck it into my pants, and to add to the tropical vibe, I paired this look with a macrame bag. Next, I found this adorable white crochet crop top from ThredUp. I love that there's a drawstring to cinch in the waist. And the quality is so good. I mean, it's a white item, so the fact that there's no stain on it is pretty amazing. The estimated original price of this top from Olivaceous was $36, but I got it for only $10.99 on ThredUp. I layered the crochet top over the same tropical bodycon dress and paired it with some orange sandals and orange earrings for another pop of color. Did you know that if everyone bought one used item instead of new this year, we would save enough energy to light up the Eiffel Tower for 141 years? So I highly encourage all of you to shop secondhand before purchasing something new and to donate your clothes because there are many people like me that want to reuse them. For this last look, I paired a bunch of beautiful pastel shades together. We have this yellow tank, blue dress pants, and this floral blazer. I was inspired by this color blocked look right here that I stumbled upon when searching up spring trends. This blazer is perfect for spring and summer because it's light and airy, and depending on how you style it, it can be more business or casual. The brand is TR Bentley and the estimated price was $54, but I scored it for $10.99 on ThredUp. The yellow tank is from Wasabi and Mint and the estimated price was $36, but on ThredUp I got it for $10.99. And the blue slacks were estimatedly $60, but I got them for $20.99 on ThredUp. Alright, that's the end of my spring lookbook. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you're planning on doing some secondhand shopping at home, make sure to use my code April30 for 30% off your first purchase on ThredUp. I always find the most amazing items on there for such affordable prices, so have fun hunting for your next pre-loved item, and I'll see you next time. Bye!